Thank you very much, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues. Pasensya na ho, hindi ho tayo makakatulog kung hindi natin babahagi ang ating saloobin sa bulwagang ito at kasama natin ang ating idolo, kababayan na nais batiin. Alam niyo po, Ginoong Pangulo, nung malaman po natin noong nakaraang linggo na bibisita dito sa bulwagang ito, sa ating bahay dito sa Senado, si Sofronio Vasquez, bigla po akong napakanta dahil sa excitement. Huwag niyo na po akong pilitin dahil baka kumanta ho talaga ako, Mr. President. And we are certain that even before becoming the very first ever Filipino and Asian to win The Voice USA, he has already inspired so many to sing their hearts out. As the primary author of Adopted Resolution number 238, this representation joins all members of the Senate in congratulating Mr. Vasquez for this very historic and truly remarkable achievement. Sofronio, your journey to winning The Voice has been nothing short but extraordinary. From the very first note you sang, you mesmerized us. You mesmerized all of us with your raw talent, captivating stage presence, and ability to connect with the audience in a way that only true artists can. Ngunit higit po sa kahanga-hanga na galing ng ating kababayan sa pagkanta, mas higit po na hindi mapapantayan ang pinamalas niyang pagsisikap, dedikasyon at pagpupursigi para makamit ang panalong ito. Paulit-ulit po niyang napatunayan na sa bawat pagtatanghal, hindi po siya basta-basta umaawit. Ibinubuhos po niya ang kanyang puso at sarili sa bawat kanta. Muli, maraming salamat at higit sa lahat, patunay ang iyong tagumpay, Sofronio, na world-class talaga ang Pinoy. Dahil sa iyo, mas tumaas pa ang respeto ng buong mundo sa mga OFWs at migranting Pilipino. Mr. President, in his winning performance, Sofronio sang, "A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make." Indeed, Mr. President, with talent, countless hours of practice, sacrifice, unwavering belief in his potential, the strong faith in the Lord, especially that strong faith in the Lord, Sofronio has turned the ordinary into the extraordinary and proven that dreams do come true. Once again, our heartfelt congratulations.